Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sallo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. Tweeps are added again about the whole Dr. Nandipha Magudumana's case. This time they have accused the government and social media users for favoring Dr. Nandipha Magudumana because she is a very beautiful lady, you guys, bringing once again the pretty privilege issue to life. Now, Tweeps complained that Dr. Nandipha Magudumana had her phone in her pockets when she was being escorted to the car that will be transporting her to jail by the police yesterday after she landed at the Lanseria airport. They also complained that Dr. Nandipha wasn't taken to prison in a van like all criminals, but in a luxurious car. It is also reported that Dr. Nandipha and her lover, criminal lover Thabo Bester, were shipped back to South Africa with luxurious private jet, you guys. Also, people complained that she was treated with respect by the police because she has money. Had she been a broke nobody like you and me, she would have been shoved in a van like the rest of us, you guys. Nobodies. Now, please, guys, do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.